How to change Facebook language. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Go ahead and open up Facebook and then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right of the screen and then go to your settings. Scroll down to the preferences section, then click on language and region. Then click on the first option, and here you will find a large list of languages that you can choose from. Once you have found the language that you want to choose, just select it and it will automatically be changed to that language that you have chosen. As you can see, I changed the language to French, and you can do this with whatever language you want. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change Facebook language. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.